Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll have a quick look at some of the most interesting new features in Java 8. So before we start, let me tell you some quick facts about Java 8. Oracle released the new version of Java, which is known as Java 8, on 18th of March 2014. It is considered as one of the revolutionary release for all the Java developers. It is because it was a major release with lots of new features. Java 8 is mainly focused to simplify the way of programming. It is focused on enabling the capabilities of functional programming. But remember, Java is still an object-oriented programming language. It mainly focuses on providing the facilities for parallel processing so that it can utilize the benefits of multiple core. So without wasting much time, let's quickly start to look at some of the exciting features of Java 8. The first and the most crucial topic is Lambda Expressions. So whenever we talk about Java 8, the first thing that should come to your mind should be Lambda Expression. Secondly, a new type of interface, or we can say a new category of interface, which is introduced in Java 8 is called functional interfaces. One of the major benefits of functional interface is the possibility of using a lambda expression to instantiate a functional interface. Don't get confused, we'll learn each of this topic in our upcoming videos. Just now remember that to call a lambda expression, you need some kind of mechanism, and that mechanism or that type itself is a functional interface. The above two things are correlated. Now remember, normally in an interface, we can declare only abstract methods and we can declare public static final variables. By default, all the methods that are declared in an interface are abstract, whether you declare it or not. Similarly, every variable that is a part of interface is by default public static and final, whether you declare it or not. But this rule is applicable only till Java 1.7. From Java 8, you can write concrete methods in an interface. These methods are called default methods. Even we can declare the static methods in Java 8 within the interfaces. After this, Java comes with some of the predefined interfaces. Some of them are predicate, function, consumer, supplier. We'll learn about each of these predicate in our upcoming video. Then comes the double colon operator. Here the double colon operator is quite different from the one that we used to see in C++. So we'll learn about how method reference and constructor reference can be done by double colon operator. Then comes the Stream API. The second most important topic of Java 8 is Stream API. With Stream API, the bulk operations on the collections becomes very easy. This is another most important and valuable concept in Java 8. Now, before Java 8, developers have to carefully validate values they are referencing because of the possibility that the value can throw null pointer exception. Now, all these checks demands a pretty annoying and much a boilerplate of code. To solve this problem, Java 8 has introduced optional classes so that we can handle null pointer exceptions in an efficient way. Then there is a time and date API. This came into the picture so that handling of date and time can be done easily. This is also called as Joda time API. So let me reiterate it. What are some of the features of Java 8? First is lambda expression, then functional interfaces, then capability to add default and static methods in an interface. We'll learn some of the predefined interfaces that comes with Java 8. What are the role of double colon operators? What are streams API? What is optional class? And how we can deal with new date and time API. So this was it for today. We'll meet in another video and learn each of this topic in depth. Hope you like the video. So do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for yet another videos of Java 8. Till then, take care, bye bye and thank you for watching.